Hello student, in this section of video we will deal with the properties of rational number. Now see, we will move to the first property. Every integer is a rational number but converse is not true. Means every integer can be rational number but every rational number cannot be integer. See here, it will be more clear with the given example. 6 is equal to 6 by 1. 6 can be written like this also because 1 is the denominator of every natural number or whole number you can say. Now 6 is equal to 6 by 1 is a rational number but 6 and 1 are integer and 1 is not equal to 0. Now minus 9, it can be also written like this. Minus 9 upon 1 is a rational number but minus 9 and 1 are integers and 1 is not equal to 0. 0 is equal to 0 upon 1, it can be also 0 can be also written like this. 0 is equal to 0 upon 1 is a rational number but 0 and 1 are integers and 1 is not equal to 0. And see here, 7 by 8 is a rational number but 7 and 8 are integers and 5 is not equal to 0. And 7 by 8 is not an integer. See here, this will be clear. Every integer is a rational number but every rational number is not integer. Here it is clear. 7 by 8 is not an integer. I hope the concept is clear. Note, 0 is a rational number but it is neither positive nor negative. Do keep it in mind, this concept. Now see, moving to the second property. Every fraction is a rational number but the converse is not true. Every fraction is a rational number but the converse is not true. Means every rational number is need not to be a fraction, and this will be clear more with the given example. See here, for example, 3 by 8 is a rational number but 5 is a rational number but not fraction. See, 3 by 5 is a rational number but 5 is a rational number but not fraction. If we individually talk about 5, then 5 is a rational number because 1 is there always in the denominator of every number. So 5 is a rational number but not in fraction. Now move to the other concept of this. In rational number, in the rational number in the form of fraction p by q, where p is equal to numerator and q is equal to denominator. For example, in 8 by 13, numerator is equal to 8 and denominator is equal to 13. Here 13 and 13 can be written like this, 13 upon 1, because 1 is always there in the denominator of every number. Numerator is equal to 13 and denominator is equal to 1. Now see, moving to the fourth property, positive rational number. A rational number is said to be positive if its numerator and denominator both are either positive or negative. This will be more clear with the given example. See here, 8 by 13. You can say 8 by 13. See, numerator is also positive, denominator is also positive, so it is a positive rational number. See here, minus 8 upon minus 13. See, this minus will be cancelled out. Again we are getting 18 by actually 8 by 13, not 18. So if both the numerators and the denominators are negative, they will be cancelled out, and again we are getting as a positive fraction, or you can say positive rational number. So that is why if numerator and denominator are both of the same sign, then that will be treated as positive rational number. Now moving to the fifth property, negative rational number. A rational number is negative when its numerator and denominator are with opposite sign. Is that if numerator is positive, denominator is negative, and if numerator is negative, denominator is positive. This particular section will be more clear with the given example. See, minus 8 by 13. Here numerator is negative but denominator is positive. See here 8 by minus 13. See here numerator is positive but denominator is negative. See here 25 by minus 23. See here numerator is positive but denominator is negative. Now see, keep this in the mind, because these all are the equal identity. See, minus 18 by 13 is equal to 8 upon minus 13 is equal to minus whole minus upon 8 by 13. See, these all three can be written like this, and there is no difference in that. All are same. In the same manner, see here 25 upon minus 23 is equal to minus 25 upon 23 whole minus is equal to 25 upon 23. So I hope it is clear how to write the fraction in the negative form. Now moving to the sixth property. Every positive integer is that every natural number is a positive rational number. Every positive integer, and positive integer means only rational number. Positive integer means natural number actually, is a positive rational number. Now see, this will be more clear with the given example. 5 is equal to 5 upon 1, which is a positive rational number. Every negative integer is a negative rational number. See here, this will be more clear with the given example. Minus 5, this can be written as minus 5 upon 1, which is a negative rational number. I hope the concept of rational number is clear to everyone. See, practice more and more sum on this, keeping in mind the concept of rational number and using all this property. Stay blessed. Since corona is going on, stay at home, because this is the only way to protect yourself from the corona. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.